Hey everyone! I would like to share with you this AI-ready Algebra 2 Maryland Edition Custom GPT that I created. This Custom GPT can create a lesson plan for Algebra 2, tailored after the Maryland curriculum. There are some conversation starters here, or what you can do is just type what lesson plan you want to create. Let's say you want a lesson plan on systems of linear equations. Now, our custom GPT is searching its library of the Maryland standards that I saved in it training datasets, and here is now the Maryland standards. Then we start creating the lesson using experiential learning model. So we start with some form of story. So here, the default teacher is this, but you can change it with your own name. So it says, imagine this, 2 food trucks in Baltimore Inner Harbor are competing. One sells tacos at $2 each plus a 10, and so forth. Then we introduce the lesson and objectives, and we proceed to a game. So, we use here an equation match relay game. Then after the game and some debriefing, we look at some of the AI tools that you can use to develop this lesson. Here we have Algebra, Desmos, Photomath, Wolfram Alpha, ChatGPT, or Gemini, and the links to those tools are also included in this document. And then, after these experiences, we move to finding meaning, the Socratic dialogue. So the teacher started the question, the student answers. The teacher gave a follow-up question to clear up all those possible misconceptions, until the concept is emphasized, until all misconceptions are already clear. Then we transition to practice exercises, and the student personal and group reflections. Then to check if we achieved Maryland standards, we have this checklist to determine if our objectives were met. Can you explain why the solution to a system is the intersection point? That is connected to all these standards, which is the second one. Explain why the intersection of 2 graphs represents the solution of the system, and so on. Then after this, you can create a printable version. You just type teacher printable version. You can also create the student version, but the teacher edition contains the answer key to the practice exercises. So you now have this teacher edition. You can copy, edit, or download this. So it's exact plan, but this time formatted so you can easily print this. It has the answer key. Aside from that, you can also make your student handout version without answers. There's a preview up for the next lesson, or you can just type, "What is your next lesson?"